Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable push notifications in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the Settings button. And at the Settings section, look for the Push Notifications button and click on that. And as you can see here, you can just disable notifications if you want to by setting quiet time, so between these hours you will not be notified, and you can just set it to your preference. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.